You just need to buckle your seatbelt. These guys wish they had.
You can't be taking pictures inside.
Says who?
Says me.
What law?
I don't know.
Exactly. So get lost, tough guy.
What a dumb guy.
The Siberian tiger is on the prowl again, and a couple of Portland tyrants tried to illegally grab him by the tail. I can tell you right now, that ain't gonna work out too well for him.
You want to get on my case too about taking pictures? Just what's the problem taking pictures?
Of the inside of the vehicles and the computer.
What law is that? What am I breaking?
I don't know. That's called private property. You can't.
Come here, Sergeant.
You can't take a picture.
Come here, Sergeant. Come here. What it says over here? What does it say?
I don't know.
What does it say?
You tell me.
You don't know how to read? Any of you guys know how to read? This building, my property. This vehicle, my property. You all, you, every one of you work for me. I tell you what to do. I tell you how to do it. I pay your wages.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal. Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
Oh, here we go.
Your name?
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
Well, here's the deal.
Here's the deal. So here's the deal.
But here's the deal.
Here's the deal. Well, here's the deal. Here's the deal, man.
So here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
And here's the deal.
Here's the deal. Here's the deal.
Because here's the deal.
Here's the deal. You either give me your ID or you go to jail. How about that?
Catch me outside. How about that?
How about that?
How about that?
Here's the deal.
Welcome back to the Here's the Deal channel. All right, let's take another look at the Siberian tiger channel as he operates in his natural habitat of tyrant vanquishing mode.
Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
I don't know. What are you doing?
You don't know who?
Are you taking close-up pictures of the inside of the car? You can't do that, okay?
Says who?
It says me.
Who are you?
I don't know.
Well then,
Okay, you
get
can't
lost.
You cannot be taking pictures of the inside of these cars.
Watch me.
You cannot be taking pictures of the inside of the cars.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
You come over here all big tough guy?
Hey, you can't be taking pictures inside.
Says
the car.
who?
It says me. It's a police car, okay?
And you, who are you?
I'm a sergeant, okay? I'm a supervisor,
Yeah?
okay? Yes.
And
you can't be here.
and you can get lost.
It doesn't work that way, my friend.
How does that work?
Hey.
What? You're gonna get in my face like this?
Go find something else.
You think you're gonna intimidate me?
Who's intimidating you, man?
Then what's the problem?
I don't know. I'm wondering what the problem is with you.
You came over here all tough guy.
I'm wondering what the problem is with you.
There was no problem. What am I doing?
You can't be taking pictures of the inside.
Says who?
Says me.
What law?
I don't know.
Exactly. So get lost, tough guy.
Now, a lot of people might have a problem with the way Siberian Tiger is conveying himself and conducting himself with this police officer. You got to realize that people are sick and tired of their rights being trampled. They're sick of being harassed, and they're sick of their lives hanging in the balance as some tyrant officer arbitrarily issues some stupid edict. I just want to read some of what Siberian Tiger wrote under this video in his description. He says, most of my videos are several months and or years old. Up until the raid on my house, I did not intend to be an auditor. I lived a simple life, raising my 4 children, loving my lady, and married for 24 years. I have been arrested before, but never convicted. So seeing videos from all you great Patriot 1A auditors, as we are known by, hopefully no one takes offense and learns from them. I knew that I needed evidence just in case I get arrested again. So my goal was not so much to make a great video, but to gather content. So this guy's home was raided. He has children. He has a wife. We know what happens when homes are raided by the Thin Blue Line gang. Lives are jeopardized. Lives are lost when that kind of stuff happens. So it shouldn't be surprising to anybody when we come to our senses and just get sick and tired of being pushed around by the Thin Blue Line gang.
It doesn't work that way.
Well, how's it gonna work? Why don't you call your bobbies over here? Why don't you call your lieutenant?
No.
Other sergeants?
You show me out in front of the precinct with
Yeah?
taking some pictures of inside of the police station.
Dumb guy.
I'll take it.
What a dumb guy.
Dumb and cowardly. So now he's calling for backup.
Taking pictures of the inside of the vehicles that are public property. I'm on a public sidewalk taking pictures of everything that is open, visible from my eyes, okay? Which is First Amendment protected activity, and the tough guy shows up here and tells me I can't take pictures.
Taking pictures of the inside of the car is that,
You too? You want to get on my case too about taking pictures?
I'll be out at
Watson?
Dude.
And you?
Dude.
Words? Edwards?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. What are you doing taking pictures then?
What am I doing taking pictures? What's the problem
Can't
taking
take
pictures?
of the inside of the vehicles in the computer.
What law is that? What am I breaking?
I don't know. That's called private property.
That's private property? Come here.
You can't.
Come here, Sergeant.
You can't take a picture.
Come here, Sergeant. Come here.
Isn't it ironic that the people who know the least about the law have a profession called law enforcement? How can you enforce the law when you don't even know what the law is? How can you enforce the law or even speak intelligently to people when you don't even know what the difference between public and private property is?
No, I don't need to come here. I'm good.
What it says over here?
The outside if you like.
What does it say?
I don't know.
What does it say?
You tell me.
You don't know how to read?
It's on their frickin' license plates. Publicly owned. This is a private personal vehicle that says publicly owned. If your eyes can see it, your camera can record it. Do these cops not know anything about the criminal justice system? Have they never heard of something called the plain view doctrine?
Any of you guys know how to read?
What's your goal, sir? What do you need today?
I was minding my own business. This guy comes over here, gets in my face, and gives me unlawful directives.
So, hey, sir, can you understand why we may be...
I don't need to understand anything.
Well, I'm going to explain why he was concerned.
Why?
So we could be concerned that somebody is targeting our police vehicles or is looking inside there to see confidential information on the screen or in other things.
Okay.
So
We're concerned that people are targeting our police vehicles as we spend 24 hours a day, 7 days a week targeting your vehicle with our license plate readers and coming to your house and swatting your family. But we're concerned about somebody with a video camera recording our private vehicles.
this is a reasonable.
Whose
to ask-
responsibility
it is
to protect
reasonable-
confidential information?
It is reasonable.
Whose responsibility?
It's reasonable
Great.
to ask.
Is it your responsibility to protect confidential information?
Sir.
Exactly. Exactly. So next time when a law-abiding citizen inspects his own property,
It's your property.
and you're my servant, that's my property.
your property.
Everything that's on you, my property, except your personal effects.
Okay.
This building, my property. This vehicle, my property. You all, you, every one of you work for me. I tell you what to do. I tell you how to do it. I pay your wages.
Is that right?
In the words of NC Tyrant Hunter, bam! God, I love this guy.
That's right. And you answer to
how's
me.
that working for
So
you?
when you get on my case, being a law-abiding citizen, quiet. I'm not talking to you. Quiet. When I'm a law-abiding citizen and you get in my face and you start threatening me and you call your bubbies out.
So you know what I think? I think the guy who just walked by right here, that guy should have slowed down, maybe stopped, got out his camera. So for the sake of the guy who's currently with the camera, that's Siberian Tiger, now we got two cameras rolling, holding the cops accountable from multiple angles.
And you get in my face and you start threatening me and you call your bubbies out here, assuming that I'm a criminal because you intend to do something against me. Guess what?
What are you going to do?
You're going to get a piece of my action.
What are you gonna do?
My freedom of speech.
Now you're
All
committing
of
a
us
crime.
have a
Now
lot of
you're
things
committing
we
a crime.
need to
Get
do.
back to your
There are
job. I didn't call you.
everywhere.
I didn't call you.
We're here until
Who called you?
are not here. So
Who
what's
called
going
you?
on? What do you want?
Who called you?
Your
Who called you?
situation, your scene, your level of engagement.
Your scene called me out here. You thought you could come out here and exercise your constitutionally protected rights that we swore to protect, defend, and uphold? Well, you got another thing coming, buddy. You called us out here. See, that's what happens when they're calling for backup. They're calling for men with guns. And those men with guns, they come with the implied threat of force. So what they were doing was they were increasing the force on the scene for a guy who has an unalienable right to do what he's doing.
Yeah.
Is going to make the police be here. And I do think that's your goal. I
No.
literally think what you are doing is trying to create a scene.
We showed up in force when you just wanted to be left alone. You weren't bothering anybody. You were doing what we swore to protect and defend, but you're the one creating the scene.
To get police attention, to
Ask her.
record it on
Ask
camera,
her. I was walking
to
down. I
record it
was walking on
camera,
a sidewalk.
and have this
I
interaction
was walking
be
on a
useful to
sidewalk
you
very
online,
quietly
on a YouTube channel.
Whatever you think.
So whatever your goals
I don't care
are,
what you think.
I want you to know very clearly, sir.
That's right.
You are taking up valuable resources that could be helping the city.
Did I call?
You're taking up valuable resources. This is nothing short of victim blaming. They are there to create a victim, and they're telling the victim, it's your fault we're out here. It's your fault we came with the implied threat of force.
Because we are focused
Great.
on you.
Here's how you can end this.
So I think that's important.
This is how you can end this.
What do you need?
Go back to your job and mind your own damn business.
You need to not point your camera inside of police vehicles and record information off of our computers.
According to whom?
Don't do it.
According to whom?
That's it.
According to whom?
Sir,
What law is that?
okay.
What law is that? Give me an ORS code that tells me that I am not lawfully allowed to look at anything that my eyes can see on a public sidewalk.
Okay.
What law is that?
We are going to leave, and we understand that you are not going to point inside of cameras
Unless
and
I'm
record
breaking
things
the
off
law,
computers.
you can take your orders.
You stay
and
on
go to
public
hell with
property.
them.
You stay out of a roadway. You understand? You stay out of the roadway.
I'm protesting at this point, so I will stand wherever the hell I want.
Good day, sir.
Get lost.
Wow.
That's how you should have reacted in the first place.
Wow.
You come out here and you harass me, a law-abiding citizen, that's the reaction you're going to get. Servants, get lost. Sick and tired of police officers harassing law-abiding citizens every day.
Yep. Yep, I am too. Sick and tired of it. Look at that computer open. It is the cop's responsibility to make sure that whatever sensitive information is on that computer screen is not open to the public eye. It's on them. The onus is on them to create a wall of privacy. It's not on the cameraman. Anybody could walk by and memorize somebody's social security number, somebody's driver's license, go to somebody's address. This is egregious, and it is a value. It's value added when you have cameramen in society holding cops to account. See, here's the problem. The Siberian tiger and the rest of us are surrounded by a bunch of lying cheetahs, and they'll try to cheat us out of our rights every chance they get. This again is the Siberian tiger. I will leave the link to his channel in the description and in the pinned comment. When you visit him, let him know Here's the Deal sent you. We need to see more content from this guy over there in Portland, Oregon. We need to see more people out there like you with cameras holding the thin blue line to account. Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comment section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a hard-hitting conversation-starting design from the shirt store. We got some brand new designs you're going to want to take a look at. Become a channel member, but more importantly, do like the Siberian tiger. Flex your rights. If you don't flex them, if you don't use them, you will lose them. Yes, freedom is dangerous, but the only thing more dangerous is not having it. I will see you in the next video.